The main challenge in 3D printing, and more specifically in metallic additive manufacturing, is that the process isn't predictable, and this results in a huge wastage of resources, including time and materials. At Donaa, we detect defects in real time during 3D printing. Our unique approach does not require any hardware modification on the machine. It does not require any change on the workflow of our users. This enables shortening those iterations to save costs, but also to protect the environment from the amount of wastage of materials, of other resources like energy. So high quality data is key to optimize the machine learning algorithms of Donaa. And this includes video footage of metallic 3D printing or metallic additive manufacturing. AMCASH project helped access granular information about typical defects such as porosity, lack of fusion, cracks, distortions, and help to increase the performance of the detection in real time during the manufacturing. But also this helped us to implement new features related to characterizing the defects in real time and also making suggestions to correct them as they happen.
So at the University of Birmingham, we have a range of small and medium-sized business support programs. They provide technical expertise and equipment to the SMEs to help them develop new products and new processes or optimize their existing products and processes. So all the support that we provide is fully funded through the European Regional Development Fund, which means that effectively is no cost to the SME, so free support. In this case, Donna was able to take advantage of multiple SME programs that we have at the University of Birmingham, so both AMCASH, which is focused around materials characterization, and AMTECAA, which is more focused around manufacturing technologies. So we provided access to two different types of additive manufacturing facilities, the powder bed fusion and the direct laser deposition or DLD additive manufacturing process. And we were able to help Donna develop that raw video footage that's needed in order to optimize his algorithm and develop his software further.
I can honestly say that the support provided was a game changer in the technical roadmap of Donaa, because it enabled us to increase the performance of the software in terms of detection rate, but it helped as well better align with our end users in terms of adding features such as classifying defects and making suggestions to correct the defects on the fly. Highly recommend to other SMEs to join or take advantage of this opportunity to get the support with AMCASH and AMTECAA, because you get fully funded access to a wide range of cutting-edge equipment, including AM machines, but also microscopy. And the teams also has deep expertise, and they support as much as they can to accommodate the needs of the SME. We have very fruitful meetings and fun as well.